Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show. This podcast is short, fun, and jam-packed with good ideas that you can start using right away.
Welcome to another episode. I'm your co-host, Ellen, along with my co-host...
Summer! Or maybe it's more like Summer.
That would be Lee. He is not called Summer. But...
Lee is a rolling meadow. That's what it means. We can stretch that out into meaning.
Okay, wow.
Summer.
Anyhow.
Right.
So, we are 2 weeks away from Memorial Day. Seriously.
Yay.
2 weeks away from the start of summer. And we wanted to talk about making sure you don't lose your summer.
Summer's my favorite holiday. It lasts for months. And it's all about me. No, I used to, the kids and I, we couldn't wait for school to get out. Usually you say the kids. No, me too. Because we would do stuff and we would make a list. I said, kids, what do you want to do this summer? And they'd go, we want to do this. We want to do this. And when they each had their own little checklist, and we would make sure. And so they would remind me, Dad, you said we were going to go do this. And, by the end of the summer, we had done everything we said we would. And it wasn't regimented like, we must go to the lookout spot and launch.
Right.
Balloons, whatever, fly kites. It was a way of making sure that we didn't let summer pass us by without making the most of it. For some people in parts of the country, it's short, and they need to just immerse themselves in it. Tell your boss, I'm busy enjoying summer. Stop calling me.
But it is true. Having that list helps you to make sure you make the most of everything. And honestly, you can do it for any season, but summer just seems a little more magical. There's a lot more going on, and like you said, in some parts of the country, it's if you either use it or lose it. So putting that list together and making sure you grab summer in the way that you want to grab it.
Huh. Right. But yeah, I think summer is one of those seasons where, you've got the 4th of July. Well, it really starts Memorial Day ends on Labor Day, I guess, for a lot of people. Those are the benchmarks, the bookends of it. And then, of course, 4th of July, for some people, is considered the middle. Like, it depends on when school goes back or whatever. But, most people try and plan their family vacations. There's a lot of weddings. There's a lot of stuff going on in the summer. And yet you still have to work. You could see how... The plus is, though, that there's longer days, so there's more time after work to get out and do stuff. But you're tired, and just don't fall into the habit. I'm not saying everyone has to be an outdoor nature person, but get out there. The weather's nice. There's Flonase for your pollen or whatever. Just get out there and enjoy it.
Well, yeah. I mean, we're coming up on... graduation season and schools getting out, things like that. Now is the time. We've got 2 weeks before Memorial Day. This is a perfect time to carpe your summer. Not carpe diem, but grab it, take the time to put some ideas together.
In your calendar, right?
In your calendar.
In your calendar. Book it.
Yeah, in your calendar is a great way to do it. Get it booked. But realize, that summer can pass by really quickly because, like you said, there's a lot going on. You're still working, you're still doing things, but you only get so many summers.
Well, that. So thanks for bringing us down, but yeah,
I know. Don't mean to bring you down, but
I did that once. A couple years ago, I said, okay, let me look at the actuary tables. Here's my age. Here's where it potentially could all end. And then these are like years where, let's just face it, I'm not going to be fully functioning, So what does it leave? It leaves like 7 or 8 summers left to really go big. And that's something to think about that you don't, well, next summer. We'll get to that next summer. Yeah. I hope so, but we don't know so. Today's the day, as you said. Seize the summer.
Well, and a lot of times I'm one of those people that says planning is motion. You're not doing anything, but because we get stuck in planning. Oh, we're going to do this thing. Like in your daily life, I'm planning to do this, and you feel like you've done it, but you haven't. And most of the time, I say planning's a bad idea when you get stuck in it. But this is one time when I say yes. Plan it. Go big. Make a list of all the things that you could do in the summer, and then revisit that list or put it somewhere. I don't know where you and the boys keep your list, but I would put it on the refrigerator so I don't get lost. It doesn't get lost.
Yeah, they had it both posted on their wall above their bed. Isn't that interesting?
That's nice.
Yeah, I do. We, when you look back and you say, I don't want to have any regrets, I didn't leave anything on the table. They're now older where they don't want to hang out with me anymore. But but I did not miss a moment, not in a creepy way. But we did all the stuff I wanted to do and that they wanted to do when they were younger, and I'm glad I did.
Yeah. Well, you can make a list for you and Andrea for the summer.
It's not the same.
Oh, wow. And I'm going to tell her that. Wow. So, 2 weeks till Memorial Day. Spend some time putting together thoughts for the summer. And remember, you can put it in pencil. Things can change. It doesn't have to be set in stone by Memorial Day, but get it going. Don't lose your summer. Be sure and be back with us next week for another episode.